To use the Depop app, start by selecting the pre-loved or second-hand items you want to sell, such as clothes that no longer fit, unworn items, or reworked pieces. Next, create an account by launching the app or visiting the website, and sign up using your email address. On your profile, choose a unique username for your shop, set a password, and consider adding a photo and a general shop description. Then, connect your account to a payment method by going to Settings, tapping on Selling, and selecting your preferred option. Once you're set up, post your products by going to the Sell section, selecting List an item, and uploading quality photos and a description of the item. Complete the post, and your item will be listed for sale. The process is straightforward, allowing you to easily sell your unwanted items through the app's social media-like platform.